Hi guys, so here we are over in the exPersona dashboard. I just wanted to show you some of the features in a little bit more detail and explain to you how they could be used in the real world. I know it's quite difficult to get that across because there's so many different possibilities with this software that I wanted to show you a few real world ways, just some things that we've quickly put together. Hopefully it sort of gets your juices flowing, if you like, showing you exactly how you could, how you could use that in your own business or your own websites, affiliate stuff, whatever it is that you do. There's unlimited ways that you can use this, but you just, these are some examples of how that could be done. So exPersona works on triggers. So triggers is things like this. So anything that is information that you have got on a visitor, and in the first instance it's information that you've got that they haven't given you. So things like, is it their first time visit, is it a direct visit, where are they in the world, what kind of device are they using, what day of the week it is, what month, what year, what hour, minute, and these you can create content and have content displayed depending on the particular trigger. And that's what came to bring us to think about, what if we could actually ask a question, so then we could get information that we can't just get just by the PC or the Mac information that they've literally told us, as similar to like an email opt-in, but something a lot less sort of intrusive. So then we had the idea of some kind of pop-up that came up that literally asked the question. So then we've got these two robots, but you can actually put anything you like in there. So you could upload any image, any GIF. It could be a picture of your face, it could be you standing and asking a question, it could be anything you like, and then you can ask the initial question. We use this for asking the visitor's name, because then we can take that information and display that anywhere on the website. This here is our speech text. Anything that you type in here, the robot will actually speak. However, you can also choose this option and upload a voiceover, so it could be your voice or any other sort of sound that you like. But if you're just using this, then you can choose the page of the post that it displays on, and then I'll come back to the pop-ups in a minute. So this is one example. So when someone lands on the page for the first time, remember,
welcome to Octave Marketing, please tell me your name.
Remember that this here could be anything. We've given you these animated robots just for something to get started, but that could literally be anything. It could be, like I say, your face or anything you like. Then your visitor will put the name in, and then we'll click next. The page will refresh automatically, and then you can see here that whatever they've typed into that box will be displayed around the website wherever you like. There's a little bit of short code, just a little bit of brackets that you insert into the content anywhere you like, and it'll put that name. So that's one of the ways. Another way that we've developed here is we thought about using the month. So I showed you in here where you can use triggers such as the month, the week, the day. So what about if you had offers that were specific to that particular day of the week, or where the visitor was from the world? So maybe they were visiting you from India, and it was a Thursday, so you were offering a special offer that was for the people of India for Thursday. That's an example. We here have decided to run this whole thing here, the images, the download button, everything in that section there is exclusive to May. When May turns to June, that will change to a completely different offer. So obviously, again, this is just an example. That image could be absolutely anything. It could be a video, it could be an article, it could be anything you like. It could be over here, it could be down there. This is just an example that we've put together. So this is our pop-ups. Now the pop-ups are depending on the information that you've got on the visitor. Again, your pop-ups can show over your content, showing any different types of offers that you've got. So we've given 5 different templates, and if you use the code up here, the name that you got from the robot at the front, you can actually insert that there, and then the banners are actually personalised to the visitor, and then banners could be offering again something that's specific to them. That's the day of the week, the month, where they are in the world, what device they're using. If it's the first time visit, we like to sort of show them an offer with the name on it and say thanks for visiting our site for the first time. To say thank you, we're giving the biggest discount that we'll ever give you on such and such a thing, and it works really well. With these 5 templates, you can actually edit the description, you can upload images for the background, you can change the colours, change the text, you can have them clickable so they can click anywhere, and we give you 5 of those to get started as well. So they're all pre-made with different designs, so you can, like I say, edit them and play around with them to match your site, which is all very good. And I'll just show you how they look now bear in mind I've obviously visited this website for the first time, given my name, and when I go onto another page, there will be a pop-up with my name, 50% coupon code, and when I click that it will take me through to wherever I can get, use that code. So it's all very powerful, and hopefully you can see that these were just simple examples to show you how you could use this in your business, and we'll show you much more inside. The price that you see on this page right now is the lowest it's ever going to be, and this offer is only for a limited time, so take us up on this, try us out, and if you're not 100% happy with us or exPersona, then send us an email and we'll just refund every penny with no questions and say thanks for giving it a try. So thanks very much. This was Simon Greenhouse. I hope to see you inside the members area of exPersona. Take care.